Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to send money using the Pazi peer-to-peer platform. But first, visit usepazi.com to get started. Click on the Join Today link to log into your existing account or create a new one. Once you're logged into the application, click on the yellow banner at the top of the screen to complete your onboarding and verification process. Once your KYC is complete, fund your wallet by clicking on the Add Money button on any of the currency wallets that matches the one you want to send to see the wallet funding instructions. Once your wallet is funded, go to the marketplace. Choose any of the currency pair that meets your need in terms of the currency, the available amount, and the exchange rate. You can filter down the list to focus exactly on what you need. You can choose any of the currency pair that meets your need based on the exchange rate or the available amount. Fill in the amount that you want to send. Select the beneficiary and send. Enter the OTP that was sent to your mobile phone and verify. The transaction takes about 1 minute to complete. You can stay here and wait for the transaction to complete, or you can go about your day. We will send you notification as soon as the transaction is completed and the money is sent to the beneficiary. As you can see, the transaction has been completed, the money has been sent to the beneficiary. And that's it. That is how you send money using Pazi peer-to-peer platform from the marketplace. Thank you.